my bike. Start at the frame. We got a BSD passenger Kriss frame. Steering it is Broc olive bars with S&M Credence Turtleneck XL. Going down, we got F32 forks, keep it nice and stable, with a Gsport bird cage rim on an Eclat dynamic hub. Fit OG pegs and Broc Raiford tires. A little further back, we have the BMX FU seat and a badge to match. Never go wrong with that. 1664 cranks with the Odyssey OG PC pedals. Eclat brakes with kink lines, everything kink with Eclat pads. Hazard light to a KHE Bruce Chrisman reverse. Shadow Conspiracy chain, the big beefy one with a BSD 28 tooth sprocket. And to top everything off, we got both brakes on one lever with the Primo Pervert mod. And I think that's it. That's my bike. So yeah.